Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to teach you part 2 of the lesson The Lost Child. Part 2. As you know that the child was lost in the fair and he was searching his parents, but he was unable to find his parents. He was wailing, crying here and there. Then after that, there was a man in the crowd. There was a man in the crowd, heard his cries. There was a man in the crowd, heard his cry. He lifted him. He came out of the crowd. He came out of the crowd. He asked to the last child, how did you get here? How did you get here? Whose child are you? Whose child are you? But the child only wept. More bitterly. He started to cry more bitterly. Continuously. He only wailing and crying. The man tried to calm down. He started to calm down. Keep quiet. He took him to the roundabout. Then he took him to roundabout and gently asked if he would have a ride on the horse. And he gently asked if he would have a ride on the horse. The sobbing child only cried. For his mother and father. Because he only wanted his mother and father. He did not do anything. He did not like anything to do. He only wanted to meet his mother and father. Then the father took the lost child to the snake charmer. Then the man took the lost child to the snake charmer to please him. But the child shut his ears. To the snake charmer. He did not like to listen the music of the flute of the snake charmer. So he shut his ears. Then the man took him to the balloon seller. But the lost child turned his eyes. Suppose that the balloon seller was selling his balloons here. Then the child turned off his eyes from there. It looked like he did not like to buy the balloons. He turned his eyes away from the flying balloon and just sobbed. The child only sobbing. He always said, I want my mother, I want my father. He always said, I want my mother, I want my father. Then the man took him to the flower seller. Then the man took him to the flower seller and offered him to buy a garland and offered him to buy a garland. But the lost child turned his nose away from the basket. But the lost child turned his nose away from the basket. But the lost child turned his nose from the basket. He repeated the same demand. He repeated the same demand for his parents. He repeated his same demand for his parents. Finally, the kindly gentleman took the child to the sweet shop. Finally, the kindly gentleman took the child to the sweet shop counter. But the child turned to his face away. But the child turned to his face away. He did not like to take the sweet. He only wanted to meet his parents. But the child turned his face away from the sweet and only cried. He only cried, I want to my mother, I want to my father, I want to my mother, and I want to my father. My dear student, I hope you have learned something today. Thank you and goodbye.